Dear students, welcome to Kota Maths Lab video tutorials. In this video, we are discussing basic concepts on algebra. A normal statement which we everyday use it. 5 subtracted from x, then divided by 7. How can this statement be converted into an algebraic expression? 5 subtracted from x. Therefore, x minus 5 is subtracted from x and then divided by 7, that is this expression is divided by 7. It now becomes our algebraic expression. This is how a mathematical statement is obtained by when we are given oral statement. A oral statement must be converted into mathematical statement. This is the basic requirement of a learner like you, dear students. You must understand the basic things first, and after that the operations in mathematics can be understood very well. Let us take one more. Half of x is added to 1/2 of y. Half of x, that is 1 by 2. Half of means into half of x, that becomes half of x, is added, so it is added to 1/2 of y, that is 1 by 2 y. This is nothing but, somebody can also write it like this. The improved version of this writing will be x by 2, that is half of x, plus 1/2 of y means again half of y, that is y by 2. This is how algebraic expression is obtained. We'll take one more example. 100 added to product of P and Q. 100 is added to product of P and Q. That is simple one. 100 plus, that is added to product of P and Q, that is PQ. This is how we obtain this algebraic expression. So, simple statements must be converted into mathematical statements. If this is understood, rest of the things will automatically follow. Let us take one example, a little longer example here. The product of 6 and x added to. The product of 6 and x added to. The product of 3 and y and is divided by 10 times the sum of x and y. The result is 25. That's a beautiful statement. First, let us try the product of 6 and x. We will write it, that is 6x. This we will take it to be 6x, that is product of 6 and x, it becomes 6x. Is added, therefore it becomes plus. To the product of 3 and y, that is 3y. And is divided by, this is completely divided by, this is divided by 10 times the sum of x and y, the sum of x and y. The result is 25. This is equal to 25. This is how a given long statement is converted into a beautiful mathematical statement. And this can be further solved by different methods, operations, and result can be found. In this chapter, you will also discuss the concept of monomials. You will study about binomials and all the basic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This forms the basis of learning of algebra, and this part cannot be neglected. Happy learning to you. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your support.